folks, good morning. Coming to you from Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. On my way back from the Northern Territories, Boston, New Hampshire, Vermont. I was up there for a full week. Well, almost a full week. So Monday there was no loads, so I was set for Monday. And then Tuesday I loaded up New Jersey to New Hampshire. Got pulled over on the way. Cop was really finicky. Gave me a violation for me passing in the. So I was in the second lane out of 4 lanes, and he gave me a violation for passing a car in the second lane, which is considered one of the extreme lanes. And up there in Connecticut. So that was that. But overall, week has been productive. Made $8,000. Right now I'm on my way back to Charlotte. So guys, that's the update. Truck currently has 35,000 miles on it. And it is a gorgeous morning out here. Absolutely gorgeous. Not hot, not cold, just perfect. Almost like fall is beginning already. I love it. I love it. I wish we had that in my home state of North Carolina, but fortunately that's not the case. Anyways guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. I'm about to get behind the wheel, get some fuel, and hit the road. Thanks for viewing. Have a wonderful morning.